Section plane in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to Home tab and here it is section panel. In this section panel, this is create section plane, and section plane related tool also available inside this drop down. Same tool, if you go to the solid tab and here it is section panel, in this available section plane and other tools are also available here. If you select this tool section plane and which area you need to, which face you need to create section plane, you can simply click and you can create the section plane. Before creating section plane, just switch off this object snap. Otherwise, if you switch on the object snap, it will click that point exactly. Now I just switch off this one, and which face you need to create, I just switch off this dynamic UCS also. If you need, you can switch on, and otherwise just click which area you need to make the section plane. You can just click that area section plane is created. If you select this section and you can see the gizmo, using this gizmo tool you can move the section plane. Which direction you want to move, you can simply move using this tool. Cancel and select this section plane and you can delete. This is one simple and easiest method. I just go to again section plane. If I need to create here, just click here, it will create like this, and select this one, delete it. Again I go to section plane and here we have few more options. Using this option you can create your own section plane. Just select this draw section and I click in this, switch on this object snap, and I just click here and I switch on this ortho mode also and I click here, then enter, again enter. Now you can see the section is added. This is another method, and I just select this one and delete it. I go to the section plane again. Here we have another option, orthographic. In this orthographic you can make top, bottom, front, back, left, right, all the section plane you can create. I just go to the top. Now you can see top section plane is created. Using this one, this also just you can use the gizmo and you can make the changes in this height and all the things you can make. At the same time, if you made any section plane, if you select the section plane, you will get that not only here all the section plane. If you click here, few more options available. I just select this one and delete it, and I go to the section plane again and I just click this face and I show you. Now I select this one and I just place it here. Just click this one and I just place it here. Now select this one and if you click here you can see few more options. One is slice, means you will get it that some piece of that one. Okay, in this piece if you want to increase this volume, you can just click here and you can increase the volume. And again select this plane and click here, you have boundary and the volume option also available. This is the standard default volume. If you want to increase the decrease the volume, you can using these grips you can make changes in this. And you can see here flip options available. If you click here you can flip your section position. Just click here, you can flip the section position. So this is the way you can create section plane and you can control the section plane in AutoCAD 3D.